Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. As I said that, so we are going to test all these three test cases in our today's session and check how it is going to work. So let me try to run this first. Okay. So run. So before that, what I will do, I will just try to clean my environment. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So you can see a play button over here, right? Which means this particular first test case will be started running now. So let's wait for a few minutes and check how it is working. I guess our execution started now. So it will be launching and it will be trying with the username and password which you have provided in the spreadsheet. So in this way you can easily able to test the same site with the different credentials so that you can able to find whether this login script has been working perfectly or not. So it will be typing our username, perfect, and then password. So it has clicked on login. So it was trying to capture the dashboard. Since it was not able to log in, so it is waiting and looking for the element. So after the particular certain timeout, so it will be declared as a false. After that, it will step out from the particular step. So it's looking for that. So it has been done now. Perfect. You can see verification failed. The expression login with the value is false, right? So it was not to the value true. So you can see 76% of step has been executed, right? So which indicates you're not executed 100% all the things. So I have executed only 76% of things, right? Perfect. So what is the next test case? So this is also a wrong test case. What I will do, I will just test this third test case now. Let me try to close this and this third one. So what is for this third one? This third has a right username and password. So it should able to log in and it should able to find the dashboard screen. And our test case should be passed now. So let's wait and check now. So it's going to enter the username and then password. Okay, perfect. And then password. Click on login. So it has been logged in now and then it has clicked on logged out. So here you can see the test case is passed, right? So you can see the test case has been passed. It is true. Here you can see a green color symbol which indicates the test case has been passed. But still you can see 92%. So what actually it means? So it is showing the 92 and then 76%, which is indicates the steps it has been crossed. Okay, so if you are going to use an if else condition, so if something is in else condition, it will be not passed, right? If your then condition has been satisfied, those indicates is 8%. Okay, so don't worry about those steps. So you have to concentrate on this verification pass, so which help you to indicate your test case has been passed now. So likewise you can able to test your all test cases once you are imported. So now you will be having a question. So do I want to every time come here and then right click and then run our test cases? Definitely not. So once you have published your test case, you can make your schedule of your test case so that all the three test cases have been ran. After that, so you can see all the execution over there. So no need to come here and then run one by one. Okay. So what I will do to make it up, so what I will do, I will just make this particular file as a set as publishable so that I can publish this test case. Okay. The next thing what I will do, I will just make the close for else state as well. Okay. So now we have made this as publishable, right? So what I can do, so we can publish this test case and then we can run from the orchestrator. Okay. So what I will do, I will just showcase this published test case on each and everything on our next session. I hope this particular video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.